we arrive. Baconsthorpe Meadow camping. Looks like there's a few people here. Wonderful, we've been so lucky with the weather. It didn't rain. Hi folks, we've ridden up from Norwich. It's about 44 kilometres. It was a fairly leisurely pace, although it wasn't a leisurely effort because towing the trailer with all the gear on was actually quite a big effort for me. This is one of my canoe barrels. It's a 30-litre food storage barrel. It's actually really convenient for bringing up a whole load of gear. And I thought to myself, that will also double up as a stool. Very comfortable. There's my Canyon Exceed mountain bike, and that's my Burley COHO trailer. I'm out in my OneTigris TP tent. Bloody massive in here. It's huge. Well, it's with great popular demand that I can introduce to you once again Dave. You all set?
All good, nearly, yeah. Yeah, just a few fine points. Beautiful place.
Yeah. We've bought some wood. We're going to have a fire tonight over there and sit around the fire this evening. The many uses of the bike and trailer. I'm using it as one end of a support for this tarp shelter. The other end is tied onto the hedgerow. It just gives us a little bit of shelter from any spots of rain. Although it's been quite dry, we're lucky. Fire's going ever so well. I'm having a coffee. Yeah, it's brilliant. What a nice little break. Just a night out with a friend on a bike, talking about all sorts of stuff, setting the world to rights. Yeah, very therapeutic and cathartic. We've been very fortunate with the weather. I think our luck is about to run out because tomorrow morning we're looking at about 80% rain from 8 o'clock in the morning through till midday. So it's definitely going to be a wet ride home. Morning, slept well, woke up early because of the rain and the wind as forecast. I put on some sausages for our breakfast, so when Dave wakes up he's got something to eat. Got to be the world's smallest frying pan. Whoa.